Yeah, Bonagana Tradi, Omwadi, or the Msika boom, a fum, or Lumabugi, Nitiria for Generator Rasta, but Yamia, or two coticha matina cotranse per map, Pemicana, Musodin Monsa, on the Bogo Masse, Monica Lewinsky, or Risky, but you need to set her and Crogul in the Masse, a lot is short than I say, but please don't keep you to that. That's some about Debbie.
The last line. Don't keep your toe that
Risky. I think I'm Monica Lewinsky. Or the call, I'm going to call impeaching.
Don't keep your toe that.
There's some other.
Let's say also crowd to Mrs. Sam.
So much. Also the same. Yeah,
how long this?
In fact, I need to check. How
long? Go to Tomana. How long now? What's the summer?
Oh, say auto dozen. I don't know. This man. I don't know. I'll bet you guys the same. 6 months. What? That's kind of mean. Now you set side.
I think you Ghana for I have backyard kitchen. You can't know just say Hannah come on the wall. Backyard kitchen. Hannah come on the wall. Papa, Nana, what you said here? I just senior rapper now. That's a common and no crowd opinion, very fine. But I will be a very introduction and son of the topic at to John. As Sakra Mama, a busan for a quabba, because energy no one, but that's the free senior man of Rapaholica now.
I am full of hope and confidence.
That's it for me.
Okay, so full of hope and confidence on attack the Canada. And we had the Al Hassan Nabi, the whole Ghana, the whole Africa, 7 events on this size. Is baby girls. Baby girls in the Tata, but I'm Tata no Johnny. I like that. Yeah. And the one so. Once again, the name is Alice. Alice on ultimate you know I fuck am about 28. No I fuck am 2. Come 7. And to want to ask.
Okay. The name is Alex. There are me. I'm number one security. I'm called media general. I'm called Sam Khan. I'm security general. Guys, but I produce a family. On your show time, then you might be the door. So I mean, you can blow your own horn, you know. Yeah. Alex, you want to say something?
Top director. Number 1.
Guys,
no size. Yes, my name is Theophilus. Theophilus Ham. Yes, I work with the Event Factory.
Yes.
And
my darling in-law somehow.
Ekus, Papa, Erica Boafo from USA.
Nice.
And we say me rapper. Rapper, producer, disappointed presenter. That's also.
CEO from Politics say disappointed rapper.
Yes. In fact, no crack. Zan say it's a method sack and your boys in here now. It means say me DC baby.
Share on outside my venture comment section YouTube and now official I am Nana Ama McBrown G TikTok my na asa na yebe konkomo no so yebe da boafo ase higher backyard kitchen tea me were high sense as a big supporter or the madwumadi Sarah and a Sintex tank said the wonim no strong top abai senya my way ka say no way my way insurance no and I make for the amount me come and na me culture say sometimes don't pay one say so na ntonto bi person ojeje o e ba na safa holy spray no Now they couldn't feel your cry because they don't deserve to bother you. Depending on where you are, your office, a fear, a bedroom, kitchen, one way you are near USA, no. February cabinet na say na anadwo eni omumpie na ohunto ofieti you better go for say. But I'll go straight to the topic of the day, and that's why I brought these ladies and gentlemen. What I say so come you I dey tell you piano and the one crab shock you. And look, the other topic into topic now very simple. Sex before marriage. Is it good or bad? Maybe your friend Ike Okumase, Koko Champon. When they can maybe near sex before marriage. What there's no catching. Also, Nana Ama McBrown before the go. Achimota before the go. Yeah. Now, no person say sex before marriage.
Esan say okay Legon school na nkasa e shase as Achimota college sa college no na etiro mu pege mu na mo de efa bi be Legon na efa bi ni here school no nti ende odika and
na odika dia paper near my topic na so nti ene ka no sex before marriage, is it good or bad? What is your opinion? Yen ho na yen commercial break. Ye ba e be drink ayi adeje bebre afinga ye ba sisia.
Martin, my show with my homba. O papa to fum. Na me so be here scan. Na only scan we here. Mama me susie nyina aka me tumu sa.
Ma we so fa so na bi no. Sike fia me tua ne busu me bia no. So fa so no no. Me frɛ o ma pɛ. E no mo ba me moa. Ene se obi abo ma ba so yi. Me didi na e na fa so.
Aya kai say Abribia obey my way insurance no. What do busuani mapa baako ebe hye so. Me tell say ofri mu nko ade a ye be call mo a. Na wa na wo ye my way insurance no de. Ye be call mo a abra wo ko yade krankro. Yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yare sabia ebro na mienu. Se wadi 18 ekopem 59 a wo apomudin a ubetumi abeka my way abusiana ho. For phone, net dial *165#. Ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a. Ka say no way. Yes, backyard kitchen. Sex before marriage. Kwe champion Ike Otokas. Ewo Kumase no se na nei. Eba topic we dia also tia say Achimota before labor. It is said they make an abusa for. Hey, why when you yeah, what no fine.
maka bi o.
Oye intro.
Oh, your excellency so all me. Yo.
Yeah, real with ourselves. Now you find binye futu. Emma wana washing. Sex before marriage. Bible cassetia sa. And I'm saying yeah, Christopher Wintino. There is idea no. We team na ye de bobra. Nanso sunsun pe. Honam
Real.
Nti say no asa obi anya feeling bit towards that. Sex before marriage in our generation ye bobra ko enim. What is your opinion on it? Is it good or bad?
I have not come across.
Okay, Quran.
I'm not a Muslim. I'm a Christian.
Ah.
Yes.
But we didn't have to
medite go for. You know, I have not seen or I have not even heard any preacher quote the Bible and says that this verse says that
don't
have sex before marriage.
Eesh.
I think it is a cultural thing.
Okay.
It's a perception or it's something that we use to curb, if I should say, curb society on how things should go.
Okay.
I don't think it is biblical or it is, if I'm saying, there is a rule that says you shouldn't have sex before marriage. Then again, we say all these things. Let me give an example. It's because Ujaria Yantunyum. Reason being that Utunyuma seminary Timira winum.
And second class.
Yes. So that's why that rule is there. But it's not there are a lot of people who are selling Beyonce in their bathrooms.
And musicians who say a lot of inspiration from
Exactly.
the bathroom.
Yeah.
So
Hey, where do I say person for BBC and say any Bible one?
these rules are just cultural rules or maybe tag say traditional rules to keep where maybe if you are not right for sex, they say these things so that you don't go into that act because teenage pregnancy and all those things are there. But I don't think there is any rule there. That's my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think so. It is in the Bible.
It is in the Bible.
It's in the Bible, but it is in a different form. It's not verbatim. It's not verbatim that don't have sex before marriage.
What is it?
It says that thou shalt not fornicate. And fornication means that you are not married and you are having sex.
Yeah.
So it is there. It is there that you should not fornicate. So it's not there direct or verbatim that no sex before marriage, but it says do not fornicate, which is yes, is there. So if you are a Christian, you don't have to fornicate before you get married.
Say who I didn't know. Okay.
But that is
I said Erica.
Erica, yes. What say our Bible? Na Bible ni nipa na tro ya na.
Oh, nipa.
Okay, nti so hwa Genesis mra Onyankopon before na obehu say nipa e bone de na no maye.
No mo deda.
Asapa na nyame ye de e hira omu. So omu ya ware fa. No omu nim. They didn't even know
that Bible.
But so what they didn't even know. Yes, no omu nim ade an kra until say omu koka hwe Onyame ankyere omu say monye bibi say Muye wie no ansakwa no ho se saa ade we na ewo ye ha se nti omo se ede no ansa na obeka kire Eve se se ne ma papa se wo ho ne ye da ne ayede onyame ba ye no no se no ma ye de ne mehira mo no mama mo tade ayede ahye nti wo ho na e wo se on se nipa na tro Bible Bible e manual manipa aye se ye nhwa so nye dai ekwa mo ye bra Inti no say yesha a Christopher na aka saade na atro saade na to se ne be asabe mema binum a omo so omo ye Christopher no omo nsisi ma
okay
no omo ne ma ne da wa bra ye nyedai ye nware no na oba so kra no ye ne monyam se wo be kata ho aye de esi into omo try say omo be ma formality ge ebedi so se ne ba ye ma na ye se ye Christopher no Nka yebetimi akata ye ho asia kopem se be ma bi beba se oba abede aware.
Okay, now let's pick the topic from here.
Okay.
Yeah, share your personal belief.
Okay.
What you have to show personal belief on sex before marriage.
Body not be firewood, Nana.
Body
not be firewood.
Body not be jar. Not be firewood. You need a jar.
It's very important.
Okay.
Ukoto dia, uko house view. Ukoto ka oye test drive. Itu ko already na the odiko fie no so make sure say ye adwuma ansa na ode akọ na ode ko na ye adwuma ode kwan utimi fan sign with you ode ko ma wona nti o check the bia say bia you correct
na say wo dey sex before marriage no wo dey over sex na ansa na wa wa
nana
okay remember me so tio who believe first way or personal belief.
Oh no, you for try am before.
You for try am before.
When we be Christians, Charlie, some things they like she said, if you take go house, no you know the work, what will happen? What God said make you not do, you end up doing now. Divorce. Because if you marry and wait, you take am go that you know the work. You go divorce am.
Yeah.
You say that want to another sin to be that.
It's not a sin.
You're gonna divorce.
No, it's not a sin.
What is not a sin? Sex before marriage.
No.
The divorce.
The divorce.
No, it's not a sin. But
under the circumstance now.
Yes.
Okay, Nana, Empress, Presido, Your Excellency.
Yes.
I'm a fair.
Middle.
Yeah, few.
Me cry me petamaba.
No question, they say. Sex before marriage sex in marriage, sex after marriage. Ne nyinaa sex.
Yes.
Na ne nyinaa ho hia.
Okay.
We are say nipa ba nyinaa bra ya body nyinaa no ewiedie.
Ewiedie.
Edie.
Yes.
Enti social mass say die ya oha no ye fa no dwumadie.
Aha.
Ewiedie. Ana nipa bra ya bo ye adwuma ye ko school nyinaa no pe yedie.
Nti ewiedie.
Ana sa wo to aton na wato ni nyina no dwedie
nti ewiedie
ana o bo sa sisi enim a ye nyina eden ewiedie ai nti edie ade a eho hia wo nipa brabo de be wi ase nyina wiedi
na ye efu se enye embu me for na nse o kan die
na o on say eno no problem e wo no aha enti no that's sex, that's intercourse, but okay dia na enya but sana boni so ka intercourse oti asefa
okay
enti your excellency the woman say Bible awa ne hyehyeye Quran awa ne hyehyeye amamra ne amane awa ne hyehyeye a efa edie kwan na oba Bible mu a okan Exodus so ba bia o say se be ma bi hu oba o babunu ti oba a babunu na be ma no etoto ne nade hyehyɛ ne bobi na onya no na onya oba no ho kwan a o ware na Bible no kyerɛ sɛ o say ye hye be ma no ware no
okay
you must be forced to marry the woman ana eye o hwɛ Moses woman to so mienu etradio nu ho na ode mransem du ne eden ebaaye ente mransem du no se ensei aware ensei den aware okay ma oni mbro yonko yere ba wanka ma oni mbro yonko kunu ene na menti ase but o se ma oni nye den mbro yonko yere oba bi onam obi ayo obi yere potentially enenti melati we hia Erika ne me nware no obi anware no na mene na ye bibi mene ne bibi wi a next year obehu no na senior man na camera chi akwaje bank bosia why dey change
yeah sorry
baba ga na yere entiro enye obi yere no aha na yenu genti ara da asem se de tie ne so enye so na o ja se aha entino eba no saa edie wo aware enhihye ho a ne sem no ne kana den entutimi fa Bible penka entutimi fa Quran penka ana ontimi fa amamra ne amane peso nka also all the factors
na wankasa no ugina bia ne hefu
me ugina bia ne se obe test answer ene se on test answer me nyina no ewo ne positive and negative Denti na person no ba no have sex and abe man have sex answer na maware wo so mu se ni bia na ho denti e but bu ho e bia bra na wo ne ne sha ase na munya ware ye no me sika sem bi nkoyie especially for men man Mama, there's no any mistake. That's an experiment. Matabi Shemi. I have my right pocket. I have my left pocket.
You know them show.
Some pocket in here.
Yes.
In between the pocket, I didn't know. Pocket in your influence. I will tell you more than muscle. Sir, I'm at the too. Yes. Am I a them? And tell me, pocket ni munye du biane munye du enti ko kotase hwe na kase wo akwakura ne mode mo fom a enti ene e wo ware na
bia sakadua no ehunu akoso do like e friends and twi ne de
akoso kuma
no a aya na sometimes enye sika mo na peye mu
sika ya ultimate
I know but if the feeling bi so wonu ma dowo
yes excellence me yes me be ma
peye mu
be ma ni e na peye mu that somebody no what kind
bills
no what kind na akapita ho no Most I just say Joe. No man come to me say hey that's kind of bisa no. At once never go.
Sir.
Oh.
Yes, you who time
It's Bema Boto and then the Bema Nano. A cock a boom. Into any scano. The more the moment we have form.
Where the Anya now Casanka, my
the unemployed for power.
Because that's all they have.
Yes, that's all they have.
That's all they have. So they have to
The unemployed, what he has to give.
I'm just talking based on what he said.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
You know what? Gain
120%. What he has
is the energy.
Is the and the energy. It is or power.
Yeah.
Or person power now against that. Because
yes.
It will be wow was cano. But also about obeying and then the flowers very when I believe. Also the niche.
The one city and then the park.
Body romance, no. Every moon need degree.
Yes, correct. It's no or what time or energy. It's only a guy that can be no power. No, see, so sad.
You are dead.
No, that's what I say. And the question, yeah, pass a situation mood. And maybe about we are Bema, over do CC FM.
Yes, I did it.
When the film said that we are another day. Yes. Baby, no. Now, when you say we do CC, no, how any film.
Yeah.
But for I'm very responsible. What may mean the essence of responsibility. Sometimes, no.
What can they mean? Sir,
I know we need that peace of mind. We so be a human.
Okay.
And tell me the ho.
No,
right.
Na me patron. Na just a honor ye obi a believe contribution ye dey see. Now yen hwe identity na be ma obi atena se me dey me twen. Akopem se ye be hye me ka ansa na me be ma nada.
Yes.
One, said your kind, ugidie ne osoma wo.
Aye.
Cause osumbi wo mu a ya orient you to the extent say be man fa ka wan hye wa ani se ubie wo ho kwan e ma no. Eno wo ho. Ana obi nso wo ho personal yi say oba menye ne ho ade ma ne meye meye a. Me fa me ho ye de enka no. No ono so de no.
Okay.
But if you mo ha any sex before marriage o. If you have pregnancy before marriage, you now correct test no say 1 year, say 1 month, 2 months, and say akoya 1 day.
Yes, o grade wa boss.
Ento no say boss be ba correct me the yin say ba. The person one say 1 year mansa, me koya 1 day. And no say then e wo ho.
It differs because obi wo ho a ne ancestry akọ niama bi mu. Yes. They believe in say okay, Mawari Alice. Now we've been trying to have babies and we are not getting. And we need to get next of kin in the family. So if we don't get it, then it means that the lineage is cutting short. So they've gone through a certain process. And someone who say, oh no, this thing there, we don't have to give it a chance where Ubakofa Oba and you cannot get pregnant for the person to take up the lineage continuation. So you be ane niama wa film ne niama epese they like they want to cut short because they don't want to go through the same process over and over again. All of us. When we look at our family, our mothers, our aunties and uncles and all those things, they go through certain things that we don't want to go through.
Yes.
So we use that as a yardstick to measure our lives. So what I say. So those things there, it is what you believe in. So I say, experience is the best teacher. No matter how holy or whatever you are, you need to find out the sexual compatibility of your partner before
you marry
correct.
Or him.
Yes. Okay. It is really, really, really important.
But experience is not always the best teacher.
But experience
who experiences slam check. Who experience in alcohol obolo.
No, so you see, let me give you an example.
Yeah.
Let me even use you as an example.
Yeah.
So like slim girls.
Yes.
So if let's say Okomano Obulu and I say
Pay attention.
You individual.
Pay attention.
you will not pay attention. You understand? Me, I'm not a slim person.
Yes.
Because I no, I'm incredible, but I need a certain type, kind of curvy, nicely done. Because I used to be slim, so my knowledge was that a slim person and a slim person.
I'm a slim, but I Kevin baby. Yeah.
Oh yes, I know that.
You know, that kind of thing. So you have to have the kind of type that you want, something that you are attracted to.
Yeah, it's very
You
important.
understand? Something that you are attracted to that you know that. Listen, your backyard. Now, girl to obey baby, I'm now share some short skirts. Be that, you know, it just tickles your fancy. Hey,
Let's wait.
no, and they're fat. There fat. Because they will say, we test it. They will say, oh, okay, send me Sony Musea. And
If I know your points.
a tank real full. And I say, Sony Musea. You know, you have to test all these things. You cannot have that thing by talking.
When you say Ghana, no, they follow on to check. They share my because long there sometimes and time
Yeah.
I was honey.
Yeah.
But my brand the business said, you want me ban upon him 16 years.
Yes.
Who said my fear no? I also when you was.
Yeah.
I also want to tear for any year.
Yes.
And I didn't hear factors.
So that's the social rule. It is not the say. It's a social rule that was said.
I was 16 one year. Now at the age of 17.
Yeah.
I was already 37. Not about 20. Very fair. That is there.
That is not
You understand? That is there. So your father say, Excellency, your father say, 16 no, we share Bema be.
Yeah.
Now, if you why 1 year and whatever, then you give birth at that age. Fair, nice.
Nice, yeah.
You understand? But the point is,
Na 26 don't share baby no nya ho ade na ono ye na onye man so.
and I say, Nipa na adeba. So
From 16 me na ye.
And I may as a parent,
Yeah.
I would like to you. So me buy him 16 kwa be me de. So me buy him 16 kwa be. Me nka so on him.
Yes.
But a ba.
Me de be she me mu.
yeah.
Say on him 16 no a. Me no me second pregnancy woman na ma hwem.
Yes.
Why am I saying that? What father?
Yes.
Or dear ba.
Ode nipa na ba.
And I make me feel so yanya abortion.
That be.
Baby, I'm free no come history ya. Me feel no ya abortion pre what ho take. I see. I o da me feel.
Yeah.
Nti me no me jitu. Says 16 no ko fa banko adia me pushing so.
Yeah.
But the banko adia me
So no owo
because
onto the school so onto the gym.
yes, and it possible
That
but
is what Her Excellency is saying. So the fear. What if say obi so fear the bill?
Obi ensua.
So it depends.
Uni obi ensua efie bia ko a you abrantie bi wo ho a ebia ode no akɔhye ne bɔne no. But efie bi boko a ɔpɔne bɔne no akwane no nyina no. Ye pushi no. Ode wi achemota, ode akolego, ode welego, ode ye n'adwuma. Ba efie bi ehuru sɛ akwana kɔyɛ sɛ we ye tina hwa. Mo sɛ na baba basesa.
It is the way we talk in this country.
So that's what I'm saying. Yes.
In the way to talk. Yes.
So forget the amount for ka. Ne focus on oba na wakɔfa nyinse na ba no. Ne push no na sɛ le bɛra ba bɔ enya emma asesa na eba na ɔrɔde ne bawiase no. Ɔnsa na bɔ asesa.
me paso na me pese be bi etipi.
Yes, the question.
Oh, topic no. Me pese me kwa abonten. Na me magia de chefi abonten aba. Ye pese si so. Nya ya kan nyina echi no question me ru mi nsa bia. Na obi a me obi a de chew. It is for backyard kitchen ye. Sex before marriage. And na ye kan ho asem no. Ye kwa abonten ye kwoti afo so e di anwo kan. Ye bia agekato. Ye basisi.
My name is Kobe. The question is sex before marriage or after marriage? Well, I think biblically it is sex after marriage. But also I believe if you are in a relationship with somebody and then you have like the mindset you want to stay with the person and then get married to the person, I don't see anything wrong having sex with the person because every successful marriage, there is also a sexual compatibility. So sometimes you get married and then you get to know the person. Sexually, you are not compatible with the person. So I believe that, yeah, it's cool if you have somebody in your life and then you believe, yeah, you want to marry the person. There is nothing wrong having sex with the person before marriage, yeah.
Hello guys, my name is Samuel. The question for today is sex before marriage. I'm against it when it comes to the spiritual world. In the Bible, it has been stated that if you have sex before marriage, it's a sin. And since it goes against the 10 Commandments or it goes against our Christian laws, I think we should follow it. But when it also comes to in a physical aspect, sex also creates a kind of bond between you and your partner. And it's a way we can control it. Sometimes it depends. It's a way we can control it, but to me, I feel I really don't know where to go, but I don't know.
I was at our backyard kitchen here now. I am in the entire. You come behind the scene. I am at the chain inside the scene. I come out to work channel. Yeah, take a crabby idea from, but still, the topic remains sex before marriage. So, the American, the Christianity and the tradition and tunching. Now, you're very real. Now, you're come when they see sex before marriage in the son. But they started free Christo Munane tradition, you know. I say I restricted me, very. Nabel.
Yes.
Also, a fine man. Also, Alice. Ushia Nabella.
Yeah.
And it's very positive credit na make yeah. No joke. Yeah. It who say obi any ball so sa feeling as your friend or last no. Now also be also say feeling no. Once I na say yare bi at that moment mo me nua say mo yare. But this say mo ho answer mo ho atom. And some man leading into sex. And sana ya why you mo aba and that's how we live. Why is it that ultimately who baby now feeling na ultimately show so?
But Nana say I was see who say e near be a wuni.
Okay.
Especially men say if you crowd me sure be maybe no aka say be me dey yeah. Why we cry 7 who baby creating here the effort.
Yes.
But men ma dear.
I try to repeat it on
who baby creating here the
yeah, wallahi.
But remember dear, na say na ye remember dear. See who bodam ni kra ye be hwe.
Our specs are very.
Remember sa no mutie. So me hu oba nko a dia. Who say you tie bia.
Do you say I your speaker?
And you obi na was our wedding no. Bo ho ma wonsam.
Oh, okay.
Enti ye niam bia e woni pamu. Eno nti na nyame de anase Christopher de manual bi e de to ye won say wo hwe obi a na je say wo ya ye bone so ati na to we na de sa na man de enye de enko aje say o tin show.
That's why.
Yes, why so?
Now it was up to discipline.
That's it.
That's it.
The woman said, yes, I love at first sight, but I never correct. We now last at first sight. Who are Bana, who na nantu, and then in Pocriano, and when you call Jenny. Who said the autonomy and our last day. And I shall say as last. Not a minute about their love.
No, I don't agree. So there's love at first sight and there's lust at first sight. Me be my. So me wo ba. Me wo ba na me say, "Go away." I will see it I know.
Yes, every man knows. Yes,
every man knows. Yes. You see a lady and be like, "This girl, I will feel it out."
Yes,
you know.
Yes.
And when you see a lady too, that you know, say, this girl, I want to go a long haul with this girl.
You know.
Now long haul, because he's saying,
No. So I've dated someone that I want to go a long haul with.
Yes.
That there was an opportunity to do something and I didn't do. But because I know that I want you to have that trust. Whether you want to go long or short, the common denominator is yes. No, it's not bad. Yes, but sometimes it's not sexual.
Yes.
But it's a color. No, sometimes it's not sexual. When you talk about lust, it is sexual.
Sebi. What the area beba sex before marriage. But me kun share no abuchi. Na o share men. Minim send your more kind na ma atwe ma adwena ide. So who me no say oba weje oye meyere. Me worry. Even say obeka and answer obese me ponimpono na wodi picture. A train enough for said this is the woman I wanted to marry.
Yeah. And then you can be and go see she.
Oh, tell me what kind of now there.
That's fine.
What the other? Now I heard that crying me knee. Any idea? What yes? Yeah. A tree and sana. Oh, but many my back at say, in fact, I really want to marry.
Yeah, man.
So I tell you, into me expecting from him no crano. Well, yeah, man, bro, so cry my mom say, hey, I'm packed. This is the man I must make person in here.
And that's an approach me different.
Oh, no, fair part.
Exactly.
If you want to go a long haul with the person, that
approach is different.
Yes, it's different.
No, fair.
It's different.
No one to me cry.
I know no sex before marriage. The approach is always different.
But I think I can agree with you.
But still, in my
experience. From my experience.
If they was married, they take
They call me in a hurry out.
They call me graduation thing.
Yeah. It's not like you want to.
And I'm sure man who let the chinam here. I'm sure I meant to abandon to a digital healing. So they say, I'm not to open to pa. With the gay warfare. It's later 10 a.m. who I'm so, oh, sorry, me meet, maybe meet our school hall. My own school in Yadam for. But now I'm a classmate. It's what I'm saying. First, it didn't come up. Graduation, but never mammy, and then more fun, but we shall find a coy. And when I'm going to cheer, I'm a man more famous. But your Obama person worry me.
Straight.
That was all.
Into a
No.
Yes.
See, it happened.
That was all. Yes, my parents. That's what you now.
So no him from school.
Yes, but we're not done for.
But none in me be unim.
Nipa bia on the screen saver. And I wallpaper. And to me, they say, who did nipa one dance here? Oh, Nabila minim for the past 20 years. ABC and Nabil or Brandon Wase. Nabil say, but minim your better.
Yeah.
To say me to now for Kaya, so everybody on pen mimes to go. And my pen or a budget.
Yes, correct.
I say, we never had a pen. People when I mean, let's come to send a bill. Hey, let me, who you know, a champions, and a bill. Let's all to be. You probably in the sky, so Brandon was an why mistake.
Yeah.
My name is Ska. And now only 2 in a way. Satan a bit my judging me pani. And a taste and kasa it changes with time.
Yeah.
And it's and found said me no I have sex near Niaji and when ya worry. Ya worry taste me to Mrs.
Okay.
It changes with time and experience.
Yes.
Because sometimes you'll be going for like a big size.
Yeah.
But maybe one time in whatever reason, then you'll be like, because me madam for me penny for pa.
Yeah.
But after some time, he was like, Charlie, I don't like breast again. They taste as assistance.
Any person or
Exactly. So that one was time and experience. So with that, me, I would say, this it's okay. No, with women,
you have to, you as a man, you know.
Yeah,
As he's saying, you know. Only woman and kasao, but there was something that made him say what he said.
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So as I say, I talked to you someday, say, when we are growing up, we pick up our interest from what we see around us.
Yeah.
We see our mothers, we see our mothers' friends, we see our aunties,
Our teachers.
we see our teachers and all those things. That is where your interest starts coming. So when you start growing up, you want a certain woman that looks like your teacher,
Your auntie.
or your mother's friend. That always comes to. I've been in a situation where I see my mother's friend or my mother's partner or somebody that I'm like, I wish I was married to that person. But I was very young.
Yeah.
Because of the nipa na wo fe next time.
To say me say, me shall na me hu ayi adwapia. Me ni agye sa na me pɛntɛm anyini.
Na no ho kono.
Oh, na me pɛntɛm anyini.
Now na e there I so be
And I first that me hu your excellency. Our doom. Na me fa detail and boy say. Me hu am say, hey, omo be say okuma say. Ba na say be ye. Anye into the mind to. So
who had been a papa? I did it too much. Moving. I was on cardio and I didn't want to go sa.
She's just agreeing.
No, Nana, I agree with everything they are saying, right? But back to the topic of
Sex
before marriage. Me, I believe that yes, sex before marriage, but protect yourself and make sure you're in the position to handle whatever the consequences are. Make sure so if you're having the sex before marriage, if pregnancy comes, you're in the position to take care of yourself. If we're in the position to take care of yourself health-wise, you're checking yourself, the person that you are with, you're protecting yourself. If you're doing all that, then you're okay. Go ahead and do what you want to do. Because
what's I mean now, all the protection I mean, I may be trained in the cracker. I brought you go school, no?
yeah.
There be abstinence.
Yes.
Abstinence, because sometimes, you know,
Condom use.
what do we abstain? Yeah, remember when you're abstaining.
Yes.
Now, when do you abstain? So the end,
Okay, so sure.
and we know what I'm so true. We don't know so crowd him. Okay, so now let me ask: should schools continue to teach abstinence than comprehensive sex education?
See, sex education, no, very difficult. And your school no say check.
Yeah, ma'am.
I say check free, and sana ko school. But one thing about the ABC method, no matter, me experience, my me say ABC method in theory. Nana say, "Usha oba ene, usha remane, me mo ho. First time we have sex, likely say we share condom.
Yes.
Second time, like
Yes.
third time. Now we do oba for 3 months, 6 months. Maybe I share condom. Yes, and this condom use in there. I don't know, 10%, in fact. And into minimum there, the ABC no,
Let me give you a practical example.
That is Ghana.
There was one time that I was there was one time that I was traveling to Cape Coast. We were going for an event. Then I told my mom, say, we are going for an event in Cape Coast, blah blah blah. Then then she called me back and she was like, J. Then she gave me a pouch. She's a policewoman, so there was a certain pouch that she gave me. When she gave me that pouch, I opened it and there was condom inside.
Oh,
Yeah. It doesn't mean that she doesn't know that I am
Active.
Sexually active.
She knew. She knows you are sexual.
You understand? And that was the first time that I was telling her, say, oh, me too quiet, So she gave it to me. So for me, it is in my head, say, okay, this thing that she's giving me, this is what she intends that I should use it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, there was another time. My room used to be behind her space.
Yeah.
So if I said dining here, I made dining.
Girls need it out, but
No, I would tell you girls.
Guest need it out, but
So my girl came to me, and after some time, like I was tired, she called me. She was like,
What did he?
"Bruh," and I call her. I say, "Where did he?" And I'm saying, There be no say. Obema de song. So only about that. Also nya honde.
To me, I am going to say, Mama. Say, my girl, Mama.
Just in the point, sir.
Very interesting.
That thing should start from the house.
Yes.
Where you teach the kids that this and this and this and this that you have to do.
Yes, safe sex.
Sometimes we shy away from these things because if you say, yeah, bossua, now I say I awkward.
As if you are approving someone.
But sometimes you can speak to the person and let them know, say, oh, when you do this, this is consequences. When you do that, this is consequences. It's up to you to decide.
Yeah.
Because a brother or bono, young coupon and boss so that's how it's supposed to be.
Omo twa fifie so okona onya asem ultimate the buffy.
Yes.
So we be call to the asem to put the buffy because if you start
Yeah.
You are confident in the house.
okona onya ma all the buffy. We be catch o ma me say obako wadan for ono say o yanko abortion. No akopra mo nti
And I pass so Emma parents and yankita with you. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm saying me senior man be a ne girl ever catch and so or then the boyfriend ever charm. The one in the G and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is the best.
Who are Kuntia?
At least what the Baba.
I said, sorry. Until the baby buy is or the ne partner. You know, so that's now yes, sex education there. It is very important. It's the all-time best music. Salt and pepper. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things, sex, baby.
Anyway, I'm saying for and many tea, yeah, the uncommon besia. Now, wow, shall be uncommon free bar. And I think say yan touch on only sex before marriage, you know. You go deep into personal beliefs and also your church and you may be sometimes and also to me lead say or being to me train. Because area or shall say a check, area when your foot will be, area when your church, that's on one and namnakum. And it foot will be so a blue eye, the man from that I done baby of free Valentino, and man to me train and son of our worry. However, we have an opinion. Yeah, can you know, Vesa Bobia dear tofa, like any more in tea, man. Erica, so mummy.
That's her. Thank you. In fact, sex before marriage, to me, a 50-50. A fan baby, a fan baby, meet me, like I said. And yet,
but generally, a person will take a position.
Yes, but meet me, like I say, man.
Okay.
My me and Cassam family home, example. Me mamma, ne mama, me na me your bapping. Me na me sorrow, ne mama. Me man, or man stroke. That's an mamma, no pass or be a penny deeper life.
Okay.
Deeper life, ye didn't church room say, or bar, or so do you see, you pass out pump, pass on that. Until almost take it to that.
So now you're about yourself.
Me, papa, Eric, our dummy, our me, our dimmy, or not dear me, be no. A yen friend or sons, what I say. Oh, yes. Name woman, yes, sir. Maybe I have a quack of family, but no per se, Miss So, ne baba, no per se, what I say. Intimate so, you take advantage of that.
Okay.
Not a crowd in some no, because a young for accountant.
Engineering.
Yes. Ain't you know, yeah, Mr. So be share, yeah, ye chin, Sunane, voter region, yeah, baby, and what, let's make us a minimum.
When in your quite uncle.
Yes.
And I'm trying to one
papa for money, the uncle.
Okay. I know movie, so contractor.
Yes. Ooh. The baby, I could be a souvenir down. Yeah, to expose that baby in my life. Until Koba said, me train pranto. Until me train for said, me worry. But for baby, Mink I saw baby, a man as sabi, ye did can't train plan, they don't maybe a my warrior, a quite no just say, I said, Daddy, you will not pay. And you become a sorry.
Yeah.
Until my whole difference can cry. I have for him say,
but on me and changes is a man. difference no is not sometimes only about the punch hair but
yes but Emma when you see the ethics
me because I'm just sabi enemu asem
enye no but me ma obi so mo kwase
okay
minim dia mepe ade we nya mentu aso so ati ase enti me ankasa no se ye hwe a enyema bi wo no mani ete wo ho ye mra me nua no a no mo ko deeper life no omunim nyema bebre na de enti America asem 2011 na ba ko so wo ware na me try ticket free US e buy na me oni yo
asem wo nkonya asem wo ho de
me nya asem wo ho da omo ya we me bedru ye no me nua na ware awie Saturday, Sunday, I'm much mother, Messi, and Yan Mada, we may collapse.
Ade,
Bemano. Or Banpulia collapse.
And Koye,
when you're bit
okay.
Say, I'm home, Benya, okay, be I'm home, more experience. Answer. Okay, I say, I'm so where she's in the hospital. I'm so
she'll be fine.
Because the thing was the thing. It was you know,
real.
It was real. In fact, actually I am call MiPROMO and say meaning the entire menu and collapse here. She's fired. One now I we are being me mono a boami.
Alice. And I said
sex before marriage.
You still stand
I agree, yes, I still stand by. But protect yourself.
Okay.
Me worry. But I believe in sex before marriage. I'll have sex before marriage, but I'll protect myself.
You are having or you have.
I've been having the sex before the marriage. Yeah. So I protect myself. So protect yourself.
Remember, me, I think that sex before marriage, it depends on where you are.
Yeah.
If you're a Christian, it means that you can't do it.
Yeah.
I don't know for the Muslims.
Yeah. The same.
The same, right? Yeah. If you're a traditionalist, is it the same?
Yeah, the same.
The same. You can do it. And if you're a liberal, it means that you can do it. So everybody choose the path you want to follow. Each and every one of the path has positivity and negativity. So choose and follow.
Answer now, baby, you know. So what you support and say me the urban me shower achimota before legon. I have to do the sex before I marry you. Na say obana odon no so on pen obey.
And the end say obana say on pen you will have to wait. Yeah. If you really like the woman, then you have to wait. So because I think that the women when it comes to sex, they have control. So if she says I will not open the gate unless there's a ring on it, what can you do?
Yeah. Now, if you really like it, maybe anka, and then you maybe one now.
Exactly. Nana, it go pay me.
But you will try help.
No, Charlie, go some point no of it. Because you know, be everybody will go like marry and cheat.
Yeah.
No, be everybody. No. I get friends where they marry, they know they cheat.
Yeah.
I get some today they do. Maybe bad. So me, I feel say go for what you like. Go for
if
what
the
you
person
like.
is in the
if you don't say you like sex, make sure the person you are getting also likes it.
Yeah.
Make you not go do long and holy, then go marry yourself about then right now you marry and finish.
And then that's how about. I'm sorry, man. That's me call you.
On the factory owner. And you on for you sorry then. No, it is a gospel. A man song to say, holy at the top, holy. I'm saying that when your gospel. And holy at the top. Also, nothing holy.
Okay.
Now, Sebano sex. Home common our area and make sex before marriage now. You can have sex before marriage. In the marriage, you will still not enjoy the sex. Though you were enjoying the sex before the marriage. And you also you will not enjoy the sex before the marriage, but you can enjoy the sex within the marriage.
Okay.
Meaning possibilities. The woman say, say oba na be mesiso. na onya multiple sex partners and son of Bible warrior. One, a man in your experience. And you walk about warrior. So ultimately meeting the sexual demands now a bear challenge. And then one of the disadvantage. But obia only any note to compare no. Ofane say dokuna etwashi bia no aben. What I say but oba when meeting baby to say Navel. Man, I a craftsman. No, I'm saying you are a craftsman. And apart from the physical penetration, before the skirmishes, I want home that maybe mama gave to me, you can do more because you are creative. And through the creativity, I'm about some sense of creativity level when it comes to sex. But obeshia me, I know just so. Painting can give you what I say, until our advantages and disadvantages. But a bill, so a Christian, also Bible now, JD, and the Bible will attain. Also, American, and the American Mra, and a bed blue. We are Muslim, you're the Muslim Mra, we are Buddhist, don't you be the Homa and a bed. We are Libra to some year. The minister one say. Se ushia oba anabema na one no pese mo bobra na mu hwe mo ho a make sure say onya ade a se me de ma her excellency ne na ya ware o chine be ha me fama no
se say me nti wase.
It's not just about sex people. Se ebi a me talk am
obi a libra se wa
that is me ah no beti by do person ebi a
yeah
na me hia ade am the mouth say bia me chew high sense freezy na so wan ware me a ebe ha me no ni say me the mouth yes but that's ade am obi na say ankowia ware ebe ha no say sex e sika e ka e fie ebe ha enfama no say me bibia ma oba me ye ma o say me person me ye impact our ababom enti so no ware bi wan ware bi and ha me say must spend 10 million cedis for home must spend $100,000 for home and no problem because I just wanted to do it as a and then one here ya be ma dwen say wona akoto oba na akwawe no I say currently the man and every man so one here then very my son no I so sex before marriage in marriage after marriage you na adwumadie ewiedie
it open so
me didn't see no when my last words cause mesa baby o
I know besa
it me didn't see no na the mechanic say sex before marriage can be good and can be bad but it depends so if Christo need dia wrong because Bible say emojua mind I know the whole place. But so you Christo need it's important.
Yes.
It's important because if you are sex, that baby can the sex. Hey, Missy Mobile. Hey, Excellency. So Shan Cromwell. What kata was so proud of the Mibia or Shan Cromwell. The whole estate will be amateur. And Sally Pan will be so chilling them or you found Chrome. Yes, only them my denture. I better be so young. So it's all process. It's really now.
But the thing is that he can't tell the Christians that.
Don't do it.
The point is, sex before marriage is important.
Yes,
it's important because it covers different facets of life. In a marriage, sex is really important. So imagine that you go into sex and you realize that your partner has a small D. Yeah. Or you go into the marriage and you realize that your partner, as your woman, has certain odor. That you cannot stand. Or your partner has a certain sexual sorry. But even so, now also because of something that she started. There are some things that you cannot bear. So you have to start doing all that because it's not because of sex until a woman beater. So I say because of
That's for a short time.
no, but no. So do how person bonona baby, I'm sorry, na the one again but sometimes
And I don't see a Juma on its own.
exactly. So you need to know all these things before you enter into marriage. Marriage is something that when you enter, it's difficult to come out. You need a reason to come out.
Beyond reasonable doubt.
Exactly.
I know your court na mana pasa.
And so that's the point.
And I know very there.
I said, you need me in the airport.
I don't know, it's difficult to come up.
So
Since
for me,
difficult.
you need to know all the rules and regulations that pertains to your partner.
Until you there, you say yes.
I say yes. But what I would say is that you have to know the age that you have to indulge yourself into it.
Okay.
If your age is ripe and you know, as you said, the law says 16.
16, yeah.
Me, I'll say 18.
That's
So
essential.
from there, it's an occupant who say, yeah, say, yeah, Susan, maybe I say, who go school, who can school fees. So you are very careful.
Very bad.
And that small thing was a bad advice. But what I'm saying is that it was a small thing that was in your mind. So you know that you are not going to indulge into certain things that, but you know, say skills with your mommy. Skills with your mommy.
Just yes, sir. We will go through.
Yes, you have to go through the meal.
Position.
Yes.
Okay.
But position no Kama Sutra or even nation. Sex is and also I practice but sex is that it's a testing. I say practice it's testing no man what you are later. I go test it. Also the issue. O test it no well feeling no and to again no.
Yes.
What be ade ni mu. Me be me kitikiti. Oh, it's an issue, sir. It's an issue, sir. Finally, Arabs, no.
Yes.
So about worry. Na o worry, I'm the and your other self pass. And to almost corner with them a good soil virgin. Asamaba. I mean, more of a man.
Yes.
And to Obano, na sin and the money there. Yantache, Banechino.
Yes.
And then but you see, let's not talk about sexual practice that people have sex freely. So what I say, and leave them to God for judgment.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. That you have to practice the sex, so you know what is good for you. It's not good for you.
You can settle with
Yes,
good.
to do her a bit with what in 30 minutes.
Now,
Life every day.
Monsieur Madame Fubi. Monsieur Madame Fubi. Monsieur the boss. Ogoshia girl be one of them. Sorry about the young slope. And they are. I say get the drain on the way again the ice be chain on. I say when you see on the soap.
Be everywhere.
Oh, holy at that top.
I just be any big. And but you shall come on the pan, Caribbean. You must have Obata na do mpacho metum sa.
Oh my busy man na be talk silent we ba.
Ka de bi abeko. Enche. Kafra wa
Aboche ma. Ebezu. Me kwa na timi ze. Ai.
Enti ye beda ebo afo ase. Eye holy said the munim no. Holy insecticide spray. Ene ne mosquito coil. And after so nice sense. I say that Syntex tank. I say abio my life insurance. We did in Nana Ama McBrown. Cause one here backyard kitchen. Yebenya na kan komo ye ko off screen kwa yes and
But as a member producer director, na Anita better. Aye, you play Anita me must rest. You facility Anita.
Yeah, camera.
Yɛde kama bɛto.
Angreni akola.
Na boss we dina camera achi. Aye, na ma we say na ma we raba.
Yanka Kumasi rapper Oleka.
Oh, it was good.
When are you coming back?
We'll come back again. The love was deep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not perfume.
Sir.
Yeah, Chukumase no. Ya kwa club a. Ofi kra bi amache be for. By 5 now patase now di fufu. 5 AM na di fufu.
Sak has been very emotional about the love that he got.
Yeah.
And you see, let me say something. When we entered into Kumasi, it wasn't the youngies and all those things. The women, they came to Sak. Some just come and hug him, say things about him and all those things. It touched him, you know. So it wasn't about just the concert.
Yeah.
It was about the love that was shown to him.
Yes.
And even today, some of the love keeps coming.
And even in rain.
Correct.
So
even in the rain. So and then young this in When you flow things, they were like, you know,
no matter
I think what I would say is I think is Kumasi people who made the concert.
What it is? Yes.
I think it's them because Uncle Kofi we wouldn't have a show. But they sat through. If you watch some of the videos of people in the rain, it's crazy.
No, the love for Saturday is deep.
Obeba concert I make up. They don't mind. Actually. Or
the love is the love for Saturday.
I said best ni bro ha mo no. Amuko mu omo spiritual man e se me so nka mo ho. Ba omo gina concert na se na so bu omo share music ya say. Yeah.
Bye.